Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoDBA. This channel is created for DBAs to gain the knowledge about different database activities. So in today's video, we will discuss about exporting a full database, then exporting a schema or exporting a table. So there are a few steps we need to follow while performing this export activity. First is creating a user with proper roles and privileges. If you don't have an existing user, then you need to create a user with proper roles and privileges. The next step is like creating a directory. You need to identify one physical location where you can store that export dump file or export backup, and then link that physical location with our logical location, that is creating a directory in the database using create or replace directory. The next option is like you need to give permission read write to users on the directory so that database can write or read that particular dump file. And you need to follow proper commands, that is expdp or exp, to take export of the objects or database. Okay. So this is what I have for theory. We will jump over the actual steps. So I have my default database, that is 11G database. Though it is 11G, the steps will remain same for the 12C or 19C or 23C. Okay. I have identified one location, okay, C users database, there where I can store these particular dump files. Okay. So this is what we need: directory location, then directory name. You can decide anything. Then the database name. You should be aware of the database name. So I'm going to create one user. Let's see if I have a user. Select username, comma, account status from DB users where username equal to techno underscore user. Okay, I don't have a user, so I'll create a user. So the simple command is create user username identified by password. Okay, then I need to grant quota on that particular user. Okay, so that it can create its own objects. Okay, create session is a mandatory so that it can create a session. To perform export, you need to have that data pump exp full database. Okay, so I just granted this role to user. Now I need to create a directory so that I can take backup of the database. Okay, create or replace directory. This is a logical name and this is a physical location. Now I need to grant a read write on directory to that particular user. Okay, now I'll connect with that user. Okay, I connected. I'll create one table so that I can show you how export works for the table. Okay, now I'll insert few records. As this is a DML command, I need to commit it. Okay, now I'm just checking the count in the table. I have few rows in that particular table, so I can use that particularly to show you export. Okay, so this is a setup of user you need to perform while performing a export activity. But if you already have that user, then you can probably use that particular user. Okay, now in order to take full database backup, this is the command expdp, then user id, then the directory name, then the dump file name. Okay, I'll change this date. This fine, date doesn't matter, but to track it you need to give a proper dates. Okay, so just to show you here, expdp user id, then directory name, dump file name, log file name, and then the full equal to y. Full equal to y will y full equal to y will take complete database backup. Okay, I'll just start this backup. It should be done at command prompt level. it will ask for a password if you don't provide it in line. Okay, it will take a while to complete database backup, but it will be really quick as I don't have much data in the database. Okay, so while this is happening, I'll explain other things. Okay, so this is for taking a backup of schema. So you need to mention schemas equal to the schema name, and for table backup you need to mention tables equal to schema name dot table name. You can have multiple tables as well here. Okay, even you can take backups from different schemas, you can say. Okay, if you have two schemas and you want to take backup of two tables from two different schemas, you can take that as well. You just need to. Okay, this is still running. I'll keep this running while I'll pause this video. Alright guys, so backup of full database is completed. Now I'll shortly initiate this backup of schema. While this is running, I'll show you the dump file created. Okay, so this is the dump file of full backup has been can be seen here. Okay, where you have located the physical location you have referred in the database. Okay, so this is a directory I have created. So here we can see log file and dump file both got created. So now I am running this. Okay, it's completed. This schema backup is completed. Now I'll take just a table backup. Okay, okay, enter the password. Then this will not take much time as this is just a table backup and it's already completed. Okay, so this is how you can take a backup of the schema, table, or a database. Okay, that's all we have for this video guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.